Good morning, guys. How's everybody doing out there this morning? Welcome back. It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day today on Thankful Thursday. All right, if you're here for the first time, you know what to do. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, guys, the link is in the description. Do yourself a favor, go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Alright, we're here to do a quick update for BrunoEx, guys. Hopefully we can place a withdrawal today. That's what we're looking to do. BrunoEx offers a couple different services. They've been around now, I think 50, well, I'm going to show you in a minute, 50 something weeks. All right. Excuse me. So we're going to check it out. But they offer a couple different services, such as exchange crypto, right? So for those of you out there that's already in the crypto space, you know we exchange crypto from one currency to the next. BrunoEx offers that service, and they offer it without any documents needing to be updated. You don't even have to register. You don't have to set up an account, any of that. Just go to my link, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go here. You'll see this screen. See it says exchange crypto, and go ahead and put in the currencies that you want to exchange to and from. All right. They offer over 50,000 exchange pairs to choose from, buy and sell crypto. Then they also offer where you can buy or sell crypto. Okay, so all that without having to upload any documentation or register for an account. All right, and they're offering up to 2% cash backs on swaps on buying and selling. All right, fast cryptocurrency exchange. 98% success rate, 5 minutes average exchange time, no additional fees. Track your transaction status with just a couple quick steps. Choose your exchange pairs, make your deposit, obtain your swapped crypto. Okay, that's it. They even should have a little video here to show you how to do that. All right, DeFi platform through BrunoEx, you will have access to decentralized liquidity of Uniswap and PancakeSwap. All right, best way to buy crypto with fiat, because you can use your debit card to do so. All right, that's two of the services that they offer. But what I got started, and I've used this a couple times, several times, the exchange to swap out crypto. Now, what I got started with them for was the investment plans. Okay, a lot of people don't know about the investment plans. I had never heard that they had investment plans. All right, so crypto investment plans. So I checked them out. Let's go over here. Let's show you the plans right quick. They've got 6 plans. Okay, here's the investment plans. You can opt to invest monthly, quarterly, half of the year, or yearly and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. Choose your favorite plan and start earning now. These 3 plans right here are monthly interest. See, it says 1.25 a month for 3 months. Crypto in, crypto out. Minimum $10 to $1,000 for 3 months. Capital return at the end of the term for all 3 of these. The premium plan is 2.5% per month. A 6-month term is $50 minimum to get into that one. The ultimate plan is 5% a month for a year. It's $100 minimum to get into that one. Okay, and then down here, this is the plan that I got started in because they pay out once a week. Daily plan 1.25 per day for 90 days, $10 minimum. Okay, you put your request in on Thursday and they pay it out on Friday. Next plan is 0.75% per day. Okay, this is 7 days a week for 180 days. It's $500 to get into this plan. And then last plan is 0.55% per day for a year, and it's $1,000 minimum to get into that plan. Now I saw something new they had in a Telegram. We're gonna go over that update with you. But those are the plans, guys. They're not hypey, really, right? And like I said, you don't hear a lot about BrunoEx. So to me, it's like a sleeper, okay? And so I got started with this one, all right? So I'm in this one right here, 1.25 per day. And it looks like I've got a little something here. I'm going to place a withdrawal with that. But let's check the Telegram group, see what they're talking about over there. Hang on. All right here, November 29th. Attention, ensure to submit your withdrawal request for week 58. So 58 weeks. Submit your request by Thursday, 23:59 UTC, in order to have them processed by Friday. While there is no maximum cap on the number of requests you can make, we advise you to consolidate your withdrawals into a single request. This allows you to avoid excessive payment charges, since each withdrawal is subject to a minimum of $5 or 5% per request, whichever is higher. Multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. All right, and then the other thing with them, you can only withdraw in USDT BEP20. Kindly ensure you have the right wallet address before placing the withdrawal request. All withdrawal requests received beyond the cutoff time will be processed the following Friday. Okay? Your trust in our platform is greatly valued. All right, guys? There you have that. Once a week. So today is Thursday, so I'm going to place my request. Let's see what they've got going on here. As we look back on the past year. Oh, okay. Let's see here. We always look forward to providing you with the best that we have in store, whether it is to be brand new services or user experiences, updates. Consider each update as our way to thank everyone for their support since the first day we took the lead in the crypto world. As we look back on the past year, we can't help but be proud of how far we've become as a company. Our team has taken broad steps from improving the services we offer to building trust and partnerships with crypto investors across the globe. We would like to thank you for being a valued member of the BrunoEx community, and we can't wait for the crypto revolution that lies ahead. Watch out for more updates in the coming days. Okay. So, looks like they are, okay, they've got some update. Hang on, let me see what this is here. Okay, cryptocurrency just got even better. Join the crypto wave. Dive into the world of 900 cryptocurrencies and exchange without limits. Remember, I just talked about that. So definitely go to my link and swap out crypto or buy crypto. Okay. October 22nd marked one of our special and remarkable milestones, our first anniversary. Since you heard your first bark. That's over a year of achievements, innovation, and success. So it's been a year. All right, like any other business has seen numerous developments in the past year, it is also undeniable that we have transformed a lot in such a short span of time. We have provided endless yet innovative options for crypto heads, from quick and easy cryptocurrency exchanges to attractive investment schemes that allow everyone to generate passive income despite market fluctuations. We have achieved considerable milestones, and yet there is so much more ground to cover and objectives to conquer. It would be an understatement to say that we have come a long way, but while there's been much to celebrate, we believe our journey is far from over. In our celebration of a year in crypto, we like to share some of our favorite milestones. They talk about growing the BrunoEx family, firm on principle, flexible on method. They've had, with over 50,000 currency pairs, almost 900 coins available for exchange, over 35,000 successful exchanges. Shout out to them. Taking rewards to new heights. Unmatched support system. Security and privacy. What should you look forward to? Social media ready. Development simplified. Unboxing more updates. Awesome stuff. So they're saying they celebrated their 1 year anniversary October. Shout out to BrunoEx. Awesome, guys. So definitely go check this out. All right, so what we're going to do now is let's go ahead and try to get our withdrawal processed here. And we will see how this goes. I made one withdrawal before, so this will be the second one. All right, and we'll get this thing going. Let me make sure my wallet address is correct. Hang on. Okay, I would highly advise everybody to check your crypto wallet address. Even though you've put the one you want in each platform, this is just across the board. Check it before you hit the withdrawal button. Okay, just to make sure that is the right one. Okay, and no, it hasn't been changed. We've seen platforms where people have gone to make withdrawals and they never get them, and they go back and look and their wallet address was changed, where the account either was hacked or whatever. Right? So anyway, always check that before you click withdraw, even though you know you've saved it, right? It's just a way to just double check, right? Checks and balances. All right, so let's click withdraw here. It's just as simple. I've done this before once, remember, and it's only USDT BEP20. All right, withdraw funds, select the withdrawal, so it's already here. The address is already locked in. All right, here's the amount. Click withdraw now. Okay, they telling me the amount here. Just gonna put that in there. All right, all right, all right. Continue to withdraw. Processing fee will be included into amount you withdraw. Remember, I read that to you. Then see right here, it says withdraw your funds in USDT BEP20. Okay, I already checked that. Okay, click continue. You're about to withdraw. Please review the information. I like how they do this, have you double check, because most platforms, once you just click withdraw, it's gone. So this is a good check and balances deal. They're just making sure you are making sure, is this correct? Okay, so that is the address. I double checked it. All right, here's the amount. They took the $5 fee out. Okay, your payment provider may deduct additional fees from the amount transferred. You know, depending on where you're sending it to, exchange or what have you. They're saying now they may charge you also. All right, so click confirm and withdraw. This is not instant, okay? Your funds are on the way. We'll send you a confirmation email shortly. Check the email for details on when the funds will reach your account. Yes, they do send you an email, guys. So last time I did it, I got it on Thursday, even though they said it would be on Friday. So either way, I'm grateful for that. All right, so we've done that, and if we go back over here, right, what do we have here? All right, probably not showed up. Okay, see, this went 0. The balance here has gone to 0 now. Okay, and then right here under transactions, it says scheduled. So if we click scheduled, all right, there it is, sitting, waiting. See, it says pending, November 30th. All right, guys. So that will show up tomorrow on Friday. All right, guys. There you have it, BrunoEx. So if it sounds like a platform you're interested in getting started in, and or going here and using their services, okay, exchanging your crypto, swapping it out from one to the other, or buying and selling crypto. Remember, you don't have to upload anything. You don't even have to sign up. Just go to www.coffeeandcoins.info and process your requests. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.